Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be unboxing these three guys. We're going to do it right away. Obviously these are the same brand. This one's the only one that's a different brand. And yeah, one of these is 400 bucks versus the other two that are around the same price. Anyways, let's just get started. So I'm going to unbox all of them. And we're going to make this a quick unboxing, hopefully. So let's get started. This guy just has this right here. Let's just open that up. Okay. So we get manuals. I promise I'll do the unboxing fast so you guys can see the three of these guys. So this is Osmo, I mean. Ooh, okay. Huh. I kind of like this case. I'm digging it. Alright. Then we have the cable. Alright. And then this guy. That's it. That's all that's in the box. There's nothing to assemble, as you guys can see. Here's the cable. Here's where you plug it in. Okay, pretty easy. All the buttons. So let me just get up close for you guys. So here's a close-up. Okay, so later on we're gonna do a video just to show you guys how this works and the whole setup of this. But for now, that's it for this unboxing for this particular one, because that's all that's in the box. Okay, so let's just go right to the next one. So let's just put this on the side for now, and let's do these guys. Alright, so we're gonna be unboxing this guy right here. So this guy first, and then we'll do this guy. Okay, so let's just open this guy up. It does say open right here. Let's just cut that open. Easiest way to do this. And maybe it wasn't that easy. There we go. So that slides out. Oh, by the way, the box. I didn't show you guys the box. So that's what you see on the box. Alright, I know some of you like to see what's the information you get around the box, and that's the info. So let's open this guy up. Just put this sideways. And if we can manage to open this up, it'll be great. There we go. Here it is. Does come in a case, so that's good to see. This little case, that's pretty neat. You like that? You get your manual. So I'm gonna just leave that in there. You guys do get in here. You just pull this out. So you guys get the cable, all right, which we need, obviously. Okay. USB cable, strap, which I don't know. Some of you might use, others won't. Leave that in here for now. Let's just take what we all want to see. I'm liking the case, by the way. And here we go. Very nice. Let me get a close-up for you guys. Okay, that's it for this unboxing. I will be doing a setup video for this, show you guys how this works, and later on a review. I'm actually gonna do a review of a ton of these gimbals to see which one's the best. But for now, this is it for this unboxing. So let's just go right to the next one. So, next one over. So we're done with this guy. This guy on the side. Alright guys, so we're gonna be unboxing now this dude. Now this dude should be interesting. So here's the box. So before I forget, I'll show you guys the box. A lot of you told me to show the box before I take anything out, because you guys want to see what info you guys get. All the info's back here though, so that's all we can see. All right, so that's for the info. Let's just slide it out for now. And there we go. So same deal, we get a case. Don't see a way to slide this out, so I'm guessing I'm gonna have to break this open. I know a lot of you don't like to do that. Sometimes we have to. So here we go. It's the case. So before I open this baby up, let's just see what's in the box. Manual and cables. So there's a strap, which some of you may be using, others not really. I actually don't see a lot of use in this. USB cable, obviously, everybody's gonna need that. So that's the USB cable that we need for this gimbal. So we just put this back, so it doesn't really matter that much. That's all we get in there. What's inside the case is the cool thing. So, looks almost like our guitar case, so kind of cool. And there we go, our gimbal. Huh, this one feels pretty good. Right away, it feels everything metal versus the other two that I handled, they were plastic. So, kind of like the feeling from this one. Here's an up close shot. How it looks like. So I know this is hard to see, but yeah, you guys can do the tripod thing there, so don't worry about it. As for the gimbal itself, don't worry, I will be doing a setup video, so you guys will be able to see that. You guys will be able to see the review as well, and see which gimbal is actually worth it. Okay. So that's it for this unboxing. I know it's a really quick unboxing, but there's not much to show. I mean, this is the gimbal. That's what you get. I can only show you some things up close, right? Because there's like these buttons. It's nothing really else to show you. But I mean, as far as this one versus the other two that I just did the unboxing for, so this guy, all right, or the other Osmo one. Where is it? It's back here. All right. They just feel different. Like these guys are plastic. They don't feel as well as this one, but price difference is there. So maybe that's why, right? Anyways, that's it for this unboxing. Next, I'm gonna do an installation video. So just look at my channel if you guys want to see that. If you guys want to see a review and seeing these three versus each other, then feel free to go into my channel and check that out. So again, just in case you guys missed it, that three that I unboxed was this guy, and this guy. Okay, so those are the three that I unboxed. So keep in mind that they are different. These two are the same brands. However, the other's an Osmo one, so it is different. Okay, that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you can write them down here below in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.